What's going
What?
on? What's going on?
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door if I you.
What you talking about?
He's following you. Please, watch your back.
¡Suéltame! ¡Amor! ¡No! ¡Suéltame! Ay, ¡suéltame! ¡Amor!
Sometimes our fear is not walking back home alone at night, but our fear is the danger that comes along with it. And this clip is the clear example of that. Columbus, Ohio. This is why it's not safe to open your door for strangers at night. This woman captured a shocking moment on her front porch after finding a stranger sitting at her back. Stay vigilant. Still leaving your orders outside? Maybe you need to see this. Take your packages inside before you have these guys do it for you. This is why you need a gun at your house. Get a gun, or you get a dog like this. Houston, Texas. This doorbell captured a man attempting to get inside the house while the owner was away. Luckily, the neighbor came out to the rescue.
I've been trying to get in there because they said they don't know if anybody's in there but most people.
Well, first of all, why would you be trying to get in?
I'm trying to go in. I've asked.
Imagine leaving your doors unlocked at night, and boom, you saw these people inside your house. What will you do?
What? Come on. We didn't know. Your door isn't fucking locked. Like, what the fuck? We were arguing. We just walked into the wrong apartment. Come on. Let's get the fuck out of here.
You're weird. Why the fuck would you alert?
Come on, get the fuck, David.
Austin, Texas. These thieves are not scared of being shot by the homeowner. Petersburg, Florida. This man came to this apartment at night, and from the look of things, he seems to be under the influence of dangerous substance.
Who is it? Who's there?
What'd you say? What you need?
I know some people might be.
You got the wrong house.
I don't care. I beat it up every time. This is
For me, so far, so far, binge-worthy. Binge-worthy so far. So far. I gotta see.
You want to say
No. How can I help you? How can I help you? I don't know. He looks like he's knocking off.
These two ladies came to this apartment at 1 p.m. They said they are stranded and needs help.
That's my, come here, get up.
Oh, my name is Armani.
Okay, we're not on nothing bad. We're stranded and we're trying to find, can you like help us get home? Get up.
Huh?
Our phones are dead. Our friend literally left us. You can't.
What's it before that? Okay, respect. Come on.
Orlando, Florida. It's 10 p.m. and you hear a knock at your front door, only to open the door and see this person standing there. What will you do? Drop it in the comment below.
Open the door. Open the door, you faggot.
Yo, what you talking about? What's going on? What's going on?
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door right you.
What you talking about?
Someone is desperate to get in. Sometimes they might not want to talk. And sometimes opening your door to them is you inviting something far more worse. Jacksonville, Florida. It's 2 a.m. Can someone tell this lady to get off my porch? I have neighbors upstairs.
Hello? Hey. Yeah. How can I help you? Nothing.
You don't just walk to people's homes at night. It's strange, and sometimes it can cost you your life. Buffalo, New York. Check out this guy, washing his bike at someone's house. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do that now for the new episode coming.
That was fucking awesome.
This boy decided to give his mom and his grandma a test of their own medicine, of what it feels like to have someone hide by the corner of your porch at night.